Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Do simple tasks, like walking upstairs or focusing on work, feel like climbing a mountain? You're not lazy. You're not depressed. You might be living with something far more complex, chronic fatigue syndrome, the silent energy killer that's stealing lives in slow motion. Today, we'll uncover what this mysterious condition really is, why it's often misdiagnosed, and most importantly, what you can do to reclaim your energy naturally. What is chronic fatigue syndrome? Chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis, ME, is a complex long-term illness that causes extreme fatigue, so deep that even rest doesn't fix it. This isn't just being tired, it's a biological breakdown of your body's energy systems, affecting the brain, immune system, and metabolism. In the US alone, it's estimated that over 2.5 million people live with CFS, and most don't even know they have it. Doctors still don't fully understand why it happens, but the latest research links it to viral infections, immune dysfunction, mitochondrial problems, and even post-viral syndromes like long COVID. The silent symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Here's what makes CFS so dangerous. Its symptoms can mimic depression, burnout, or thyroid issues. Common warning signs include constant exhaustion, even after rest, brain fog or poor memory, dizziness when standing, muscle or joint pain, sleep that never feels refreshing, sensitivity to light, sound, or stress. In other words, your body feels like it's running on a dead battery, no matter how much you charge it. And that's why it's called the silent energy killer. What's really happening inside the body? Research from Stanford and Harvard shows that in CFS patients, the mitochondria, the power plants of cells, produce less energy, ATP. The immune system stays overactivated, like a car engine revving non-stop. The autonomic nervous system, which controls stress and heart rate, becomes unbalanced. The result? Your body burns energy faster than it can make it, leaving you in a constant state of physical and mental crash. Natural ways to restore energy and heal. While there's no single cure yet, many people are reclaiming their energy through science-backed lifestyle strategies. 1. Pacing, not pushing. Stop fighting your body. Alternate activity and rest in small, manageable cycles. This prevents energy crashes and supports mitochondrial recovery. 2. Nutrition for energy. Focus on anti-inflammatory, whole foods, omega-3 rich fish, berries, olive oil, and green leafy vegetables. Avoid sugar, caffeine, and processed food that drain cellular energy. 3. Supplements that support mitochondria. Research suggests benefits from CoQ10, magnesium, malat, L-carnitine, vitamin B complex, NAD, plus boosters for sleep and nervous system. Reset. Deep restorative sleep is your repair mode. Practice guided breathing, meditation, and grounding to calm the overactive nervous system. 5. Check for post-viral or immune triggers. If your fatigue started after a viral infection, ask your doctor to test for lingering inflammation or hormonal imbalance. Hope from new research. The good news? Science is catching up. New therapies are being studied, from mitochondrial support compounds to vagus nerve stimulation and AI-based fatigue mapping. Institutes like Harvard and the NIH are now investing millions to uncover the true biological mechanisms behind CFS. The message is clear. Chronic fatigue syndrome is real, physical, and treatable, but it requires awareness and the right approach. If your body feels exhausted for no reason, don't ignore it. Listen to it. Energy isn't just about power, it's about balance, biology, and self-compassion. Because sometimes the strongest thing you can do is rest. If you found this video insightful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based wellness insights.